Let me show you the power of makeup. This is my before. All my jowls are all on show, and this side is sculpted and lifted. First off, we need a good grippy primer. This is the Maybelline Grippy Primer. And when you're over 40, a skin tint is the way to go. And today I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Skin Tint. This is absolutely gorgeous for mature skin. Next up, we need to do some contouring. Another Maybelline product is the Maybelline Lifter Sticks. Contouring can really change the shape of your face. But it's also really important to consider your face shape. The product placement on my face is to create cheekbones and also to sharpen up that jawline. Moving on to concealer now, and I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. And as you can see, I'm going to place them underneath my cheekbones and just above that contour as well. And rather than using a brush to blend everything in, I'm just going to use my finger. My good old finger, the heat is going to help to blend everything through. And if you take it on your eyelids as well, this is just going to counteract any redness. And I'm just using my fingers to pat it away rather than rub, because we don't want to disturb that foundation underneath. And just look at the difference this technique can make to your jowls. Absolutely incredible. Now I need to set that under eye, and I'm going to use the Trigwell Velvet Setting Powder. This is in the shade Pink, and we're also going to use it to set that concealer underneath the cheekbone and along the jawline as well. Now we need to set that cream bronzer, and I'm going to use the Made by Mitchell Bronze Pod for this. And now to bring some colour back into my cheeks, I'm using the RMS blusher. And as you can see, I'm literally just patting it above that contour. This blusher is absolutely incredible. Now for highlighter. I'm going to pop some just above that contour on my eyebrow and also on my lips and nose. Now I'm just going to define my eyebrows, and it's really important that you don't take your tail downwards. The tail needs to go outwards, and this is going to create a gorgeous lift on the eyes. And now to define those eyebrows further and make them a lot more sharp, I'm going to go in with a concealer just underneath the brows. And this is just going to give them a really clean, precise look. Moving on to the eyes, and I'm just going to take this colour through the crease. And then on the outer eye, we're just going to move that eyeshadow towards the temple. Again, this is going to create a gorgeous lift. I need to further brighten my under eye, and to do that, I'm using the P. Louise brightening powder, and I'm going to apply this using a powder puff and then brush away the excess using that fluffy brush that I used for the blusher. This is just going to smooth out the edges but also further brighten the under eye. I cannot stress to you how important it is to curl your lashes, girls. This is my favourite eyelash curler. It's the MUA eyelash curler. And I'm going to just pop on some mascara. This mascara is the L'Oreal Panorama. Let's contour the lips now and make them appear fuller. We're just going to go slightly overlined at the Cupid's bow. And then as we go down the side of the mouth, we're just going to take it inside the natural line of the lips. And that's the same on the bottom lip. The middle, you need to be slightly overlined. And then as we're joining, we need to make sure we create a little gap there in the centre. This is going to stop your lips looking saggy. And then what we're going to do is we're going to shade the outer corners. Once you've applied that shading, we're just going to use our finger just to blend everything